Hey, Crunchified Clean friends! Thanks for being here and checking out my video. On this one, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how I like to deep clean, spring clean a window and a window screen. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, love, comment, heart, do all the things so the algorithm can keep pushing my videos out so I can keep helping more people with Crunchified Clean tips. First, get your tools ready. I like to have my Microfiber Wholesale Glass and Mirror plant-based cleaning spray with me. And for this cleaning, I am using the awesome Zep Vinegar all-purpose cleaner. It is amazing and it smells really nice and it's not overpowering like vinegar. I really like it. I'm also using a crinkle glass towel, which I really found beneficial because it is a crinkly, wrinkly surface on one side, which is great to remove any dirt or debris off the glass first, and then the smooth side on the other side, your window or mirror, with the nice smooth cloth texture. And then I used a cotton towel to spray down and wipe around all four edges of the wood frame of the window and the windowsill and wipe off the dust and dirt and debris off the window screens. Now, if you have a vacuum hose, you could totally vacuum off the window screen as well before wiping it down. In this situation, the window screens were not that dirty. They were on the inside and the windows had not been opened that much. So it's not like they had a lot of gunk on them. But if you do find that you have a window screen that has a lot of built up yuckiness on it, you could grab a vacuum hose and vacuum it off. I know sometimes people like to put their window screen in their bathtub and give it a good spray down. Or if you have an outdoor hose, you could spray them in your backyard as well. But for the purposes of cleaning in my client's home, I feel weird putting a dirty window screen in their bathtub. It's just not my thing. And some window screens are too big, and if they don't have a detachable shower head, it gets very complicated, and then I get all wet, and nobody wants to deal with a wet cleaner. So I wipe it down with a damp cloth on both sides of the window screen, get all four edges of the screen, and then pop it back in the window after I've already cleaned the glass itself. If you want to get the Zep Vinegar Cleaner or the Microfiber Wholesale Plant-Based Glass and Mirror Cleaner or the Glass Cleaning Cloth, I will add my affiliate links down below. If you see them there, grab them with my link. I will earn some commissions, so thank you very much. And I hope you liked this video. Let me know how you like to clean your windows and your windowsills. Comment, love, share, subscribe so I can get more views. And thanks again for checking out my video, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.